aisle. So the flight attendant, it was a male flight attendant. And like, I just feel like, yo, man, if you're going to be a flight attendant, you got to be nimble. You know what I mean? You can't just be just taking up all the space when you walk down the aisle. You got to like kind of maneuver so you're just not bumping into people. I don't know, man. What do y'all feel about it? I'm not. So on my way back home, I changed my seat. I was like, I'm going to be on the window. I got to be on the window. I don't want to keep on, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to. I don't want to be keep on getting bumped up against. And you fall asleep. I was in a good sleep. I'm knocked out. Hit this motherfucker come just like bumping me. I'm like, man, and then I couldn't fall back asleep. It's like, yo, dog. You know what I mean? But I don't know, man. Maybe I'm just being biased or something. I don't know. But yeah, man. I don't want to fall asleep because I don't want to fall asleep too early. Yeah, man. Am I stoked? Yeah, man. I'm excited to go back on the road. But I guess I just haven't been on the road in so long, man. It just feels weird. You know what I mean? It just feels so weird to go back. Yeah, yeah, exactly. That's why I'm moving to a window seat. I'm moving to that window seat. For sure, for sure. Erica, what's going on? Um, yeah, man. So, but and it was like a lot of turbulence, you know what I mean? It was just a bumpy flight. But, made it here safe and sound, so that's all that counts. You feel me? As long as I got here. But here's another thing. So then I get to the airport and I'm waiting for the hotel shuttle to pick me up the airport, which the hotel shuttle just picks you up right at the curb. I'm like, oh, this is super convenient. Just get on the hotel shuttle. I don't have to like get an Uber. The hotel comes. They say it comes every 15 minutes. I'm like, awesome. I wait by the hotel shuttle. I see my hotel shuttle come. I'm like, oh, here he comes. I'm like, hey, he just drives right by me. I'm like, yo, what are you doing? He just like passed me up. I'm like, yo, I'm right here. Then I called the hotel. I was like, yo, when does the airport shuttle come? Oh, it comes every 15 minutes. I was like, well, he just drove back. He didn't stop for me. He's like, oh, I'm sorry. We're gonna call him on the radio. Nah, no radio because there ain't really no in-person radio stuff right now like that. But we're gonna get soon though. Dude, I mean, in the hotel, I could have walked to my hotel. I was like, man, should I just walk? But it was cold, so I didn't want to walk. But at least the mask mandates is gone out here, or at least in Jersey. I don't know about New York. Should I go into Manhattan? I got anybody in? Should I hit up Manhattan tomorrow? Should I go into NYC? All depends on what time I wake up. It's supposed to be raining though. You know what I mean? I don't like walking around the city when it's raining. Um, any good shows that I can watch when I'm in the room tonight? What's some good shows y'all watching? Yo, that Magic Johnson, that Winning Time on HBO is fire. That's a good show. I'm loving that. Providence Nomads had me not looking at home girls at my job no more. What?